All right, ladies, who do we have here?
Kaylee. Jess.
Jess. How are we doing this morning?
Pretty good.
Ooh, those are some crazy harnesses that you're wearing. What are we out here doing?
We're gonna jump out of a freaking plane.
You're jumping out of an airplane. That sounds crazy. What brought you out here to do that?
I've always wanted to, and she's my sis, so.
It's not her first one, right?
My second. So.
Okay. How are you feeling? Are you nervous?
I'm even more excited this time, I feel like.
Okay, good. Excited. What about you, Jess?
I'm trying not to vomit. I'll be good.
Good. We'll appreciate it if you don't.
You're gonna clear the camera off.
Let us know if you are feeling that way. I got some bags we can hook you up with. We're gonna get in this airplane, go up to 14,000 feet, jump out, do 140 miles an hour at the ground. Before we do you have any famous last words for any friends or family who might watch this video?
Love you. That's comforting. See you only live once.
Those are good. I will comfort you in letting you know you're not going to need those last words. We're coming back. Let's go have some fun. All right, ladies, are we ready? All right, so close. There's a couple of photos. All right. Of all of them, I like this one most. Yes, Kaylee. We just went skydiving.
Oh yeah.
How do you feel?
I took my hair out too. So great.
That's what we love to see. The hair wild, the smile's big. Did you like it?
Yeah, it was amazing.
And how was the second one compared to the
Even-
first?
Well, like scenery different, but it's just more enjoyable because
Yeah.
you know what to expect.
Yeah, a little less fear involved.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
What'd you think?
Experience of a lifetime.
Yeah?
I'd come back and do it again.
Oh, my next question already answered.
Yep.
Come see us. We'll be out here at Skydive, Colorado Springs. Thanks for jumping with us.
Tell our kids, you guys need to get cool jobs.
Work on it.